My name is Mark Berger. I'm with Siemens, and I'm the business developer for Circuit Protection and Controls business unit. And here we're going to have two walls showing the product that we cover. In our walls, we cover two ways of starting a motor. In a motor, there's three ways to turn on a motor: cross the line starter, soft start, and VFD. And I'm going to talk and cover cross the line and soft start. Initially out of the gate, you have a soft starter here. This is our 3RW55 soft starter. Up above, you have a cross the line starters in a more compact. And then over here is your standard cross the line starters. With the cross the line starters, you can feed it with bus systems, or you can do a standalone with it. And we can go from sizes down to a fractional horsepower of the motor, all the way up to 400 or 500 horsepower motors. What we have also is the ability to bring the power to the motors. So we have multi-case circuit breaker systems. We have different form factors of motor starters, so that if you have a more tighter space, smaller footprint, we can start bigger motors but in a smaller space. And then over here, you take a motor that has no real technology in it, or it doesn't give you any information. It just says I'm on or I'm off, but you have problems with it. This makes that starter smart. It gives us the ability to give you data of how many times it turned on, how many times it turned off. It gives you the ability to understand why it's turning off with more data and be able to pipe that data out in multiple ways and multiple communication protocols. You have up here the Profinet push buttons. You have the ability to wire up to 20 push buttons, but all you need to do to bring it from the panel into the door is give it an Ethernet and 2 wires for 24 volts, and you're able to minimize all of the wiring that it takes to get that going. We move over here to safety. This is your safety relays and safety systems, e-stops. We're up and running, and so forth and so on. You have your enclosed starters, push button systems, and everything on this panel here is just turning motors on and off and how you interface with it. So you have also diagnostic capabilities, current, voltage, overload systems, and they communicate multiple communication protocols. Solid state relays. We start on with different types of push buttons, safety relays, and then also control products to help you turn the motor on and off.